How can a tiny error in a deed affect your property title? Imagine buying a house and thinking everything is perfect, only to find out later that a small mistake on the deed could cause big problems. Even tiny errors in a deed can lead to serious issues with your property title. A deed is the legal document that shows who owns the property and how ownership was transferred. The chain of title is the history of all past transfers of that property. The legal description in the deed precisely describes the boundaries and location of the property. Now, if there is a misspelled name on the deed, it might seem minor, but it can cause the property to appear outside the chain of title. Future buyers or lenders could refuse to accept the title because it looks inconsistent or incorrect. Errors in the legal description, like wrong lot numbers or missing boundary details, can mean the deed does not truly transfer the right property. This can lead to disputes, delays in selling, or even lawsuits. Missing signatures, notary seals, or witness signatures can also make a deed invalid or harder to process. For home buyers and sellers, these tiny mistakes can cause delays or extra costs. Buyers might hesitate to proceed if a title search reveals errors, fearing ownership disputes. Sellers could face delays in closing or need to pay for corrections. Lenders requiring a clear title before approving a mortgage, so errors can block financing altogether. Fixing these mistakes depends on their size. Small typos can often be fixed with an affidavit of scrivener's error, which is a sworn statement explaining the mistake. Larger errors may need a corrective deed or a curative notice to amend the original deed. It is always wise to have a real estate attorney review deeds and compare legal descriptions with surveys and title reports early in the process. In the end, even the tiniest error in a deed can cause big trouble for your property rights. Catching and correcting these mistakes quickly helps keep the chain of title intact and makes sure your ownership stays protected. Proper attention to detail during the legal process can save you time, money, and stress when dealing with property transactions.